Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Octa 7. Okay, this run 9 pi system. Okay, let me show it. You can choose a time. You can choose logo. It's built-in microphone, reset hole. This buttons. And this for AC climate. Okay, you can check the settings. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. Okay, you can choose the countdown logo. Okay, need to change the logo. Let me back our Belsee logo. You also can change this theme color with blue, green, orange, or other any color you can adjust. Okay. Let me check the settings. Our already upgraded this icon with color. About motion, you can check CPU Octa core, memory size RAM 4GB, hardware PX5 rack chip. Android version is Android 9 system. Okay. And let me check storage. It's built in total 64GB, ROM 64GB. Okay. It's built-in Wi-Fi, already built-in Wi-Fi. You also can change this button color with LED settings. Green, blue, white, and you can change any color on this panel. Okay, let me choose red. Okay. Let me back to home. Firstly, let me introduce the internet. Let me check the youtube.com. Okay. Let me put our website belsee.com. Belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay, you can check this is our website belsee.com, belsee.com. This head unit 20.8-inch IPS touchscreen. This resolution, very high resolution for this unit. Okay, this unit. Tesla model. Okay, this is our website. Let me check the Bluetooth. You can check this pin number 40. Let me open my phone. Okay, you can check this is my phone. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Okay. Click the search button. It will search Galaxy S8 Plus. Very fast connecting. Okay, you will get the command from your phone and put the 40. Click OK. Okay, it show Bluetooth icon, show connected, and you can make phone call. Hang up, and you can stream music from your phone. Volume from your phone. Okay, this is stream music from your phone. Okay, let me introduce music from USB. This is two USB cable and this USB driver. When you connect USB, it will play music automatically. Okay, this is music. Volume. Okay, you can check this dual screen. It runs also support navigation and music at the same time. Okay, this is dual screen. Let me introduce the video. You can check video disabled for your safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Find car setting, driver setting, turn on the watch video on. It's USB 1, send some 4K demo video. Send some 4K demo video. This is support 4K. Okay, let me back to home. You can check all apps are here. It's radio. You can search the radio stations. It's built in Google Play Store. And Google Maps. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. Okay, that's all. Thank you.